you a quick tutorial on making better use of Foundry as a player. This is my DM screen, so you'll see things on here that you won't see on your own screen, but this is to give you a sense of how this all works. I know there's still a little confusion in navigating, and I thought this might help. So here we have Miabella's character sheet open. You're sitting around the campfire with your new friends. A hostile creature has approached from the north, right here. You can see, and I'm going to show you how to use some various mechanical stuff. So we're going to use Miabella here as an example. Don't worry, Miabella, you will get your arrows back by the end of all of this. So if you want to make an attack, there's two different ways to do it. You can go up here to the bar, which some of you have already been doing, and you can click on longbow. You'll need to have this guy targeted first, so we're going to hit T and target him. You do the longbow, everything gets done just like that. If you do it from your character sheet, you'll want to click the actual icon and not the words. If you just click the words, it expands it. But if you click the little icon where it turns into a die, it will roll the attack and give you the various conditions. Same applies for spells. If you click on the, say, Ensnaring Strike, it's going to consume the spell slot. You'll see the spell slot went down from 3 to 2 because she cast a spell, and you can see that it already rolled the saving throw, and he passed, so he is not ensnared. You can also do the same from up here. The spell in the bar, you can see Ensnaring Strike, Good Berries. We could do Hunter's Mark. Features that you can do, most of these are passive. The passive ones you don't need to actually roll for anything. They are passive. Skills, these are your checks. Let's say you wanted to do a stealth check. Do here, go to stealth, and you can see Miabella rolled a 14. If she wanted to do it from the character sheet, she just clicks the stealth button, and this time she did much better, and she rolled a 21. If she wants to roll a strength check, she can click right here on strength, ability check, or a saving throw. Let's make a saving throw. She rolls a 21. So that's essentially how that all works. I hope that explains like where to click and what to do. This is interesting here under utility, under the bar here. You can roll initiative, take a short or a long rest, toggle your combat state, toggle your visibility. That just means whether your token appears to other people or not, you should still be able to see it. It's a good way to do invisible. And then down here you have your various macro bars. As you can see, I have some things set up. You can set your own up by dragging from your character sheet down here, and now you've got a quarterstaff. This is yet another way you could do an attack. You did an attack, you rolled a 14, did 3 points of damage, and that was enough to finally kill off this guy. So I hope this explains a bit how some of the various buttons and things work. And yeah, don't worry, Miabella, I will reset your person back to how you were. Let me know if you have any questions.